Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I am excited to share with you how I make my Escovitch sauce for my Escovitch fish. In my next video, I'm planning to show you how I make my Escovitch fish, but first I have to show you how I make my Escovitch sauce. I like my Escovitch sauce to sit and marinate for a while before I actually use it. So I'm going to show you how I make my Escovitch sauce. Come on, let's go. So here I have all the ingredients that I normally use for my Escovitch sauce. I have a jar here that I'm going to put all my vegetables to marinate in. And I like to make a big batch. I have some whole allspice, a green bell pepper, a red bell pepper. I have 2 mini coyotes, or we call it in the islands Christophans. I have 2 large carrots. I have 3 green tomatillos. And I have 2 large onions. And my scotch bonnet pepper. Also, I have my vinegar right here. So this is all what I normally use for my Escovitch sauce recipe. And this recipe is quick. First thing, I'm going to go ahead and slice up my carrots. So you can go ahead and slice as big as you want or as thinly as you want. Since I love to have my vegetables marinate for a long time, I like to cut my vegetables into larger chunks. And I just set it in my jar. Now I'm going to go ahead and slice up my onion. And I also like my onion in large chunks. So I just go ahead and I just place it in here also. And I like to just break it apart a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my green bell pepper. Then I go in with my coyote, or my Christophans, as we call it in the islands. Then I'm going to go in with my red bell pepper. I'm going to go ahead with my other carrot. And my other onion. And I'm going to top with my tomatillos. My other coyote. My scotch bonnet pepper right at the top. Some whole allspice. And I'm also using some pickling spice. You do not have to use it, but I stumbled upon this pickling spice and I love it. In here is pimento seeds, cloves, a little bay leaf, and also a little cinnamon. So I'm just going to go ahead and go with about a tablespoon and a half. And now I add my vinegar to my jar. This is a big jar, so I'll be needing maybe about 4 cups of vinegar. I need vinegar to cover the top. I'm just making a huge batch, so I have enough Escovitch sauce for whenever I need it. And now I just put my lid on. And this is it. This is how I make my Escovitch sauce. It's quick, easy, and it's inexpensive. It's beautiful. You can see my carrots, my onions, my green bell pepper, my red bell pepper, my carrots, my coyote, my tomatillos. So I'm just going to let everything sit in here for a few days before I use it. Okay guys, so I'm all done with my Escovitch sauce. It's looking beautiful. And all my spices are at the top. And you can see all my vegetables. Carrots, onions, bell pepper, coyote, red bell pepper, carrots, onions, tomatillos. My scotch bonnet pepper is in the top. And this will just sit for a few days before I use it. All right, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more flavorful videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next time, bye.